How to make edible and non-edible balls as cake toppers in the colors of black and gold. You can make these in different colors also. Let's get started. We need various sizes of styrofoam and dark chocolate and white chocolate. You see, I put in the different pieces, small pieces. Barbecue skewers also need, and cocktail sticks and big styrofoam or any packaging like this. Melt these chocolate. We melt both chocolates in the microwave and mix well. Insert barbecue skewers in one bowl and dip in melted white chocolate. Shake and let the excess chocolate drip off. Then using the skewers, stick it in the styrofoam to dry. Do the same process with the dark chocolate. Dip in the dark chocolate, shake and let the excess chocolate drip off. Then using the skewer, stick it in the styrofoam to dry. Look at these balls, ready to dry. Keep aside. Now I'm making edible balls. I made the marshmallow and rice crisp mix in advance. Make a ball from this mix. Nicely check with your hands. See, I need both balls round shape. Yeah, nicely press and make a nice round ball. Color the fondant or sugar paste with cream gel food color. Mix nicely all gel food color in the sugar paste or fondant. Dust the icing sugar on tabletop and roll this out. Smooth with hands. Yes, and you see any excess of fondant, please cut them. Yeah, and nicely smooth with your hands, or you can use a smoother. This smoother is very good. Yeah, nicely smooth all the balls. You can see nice balls. Yeah. Now I dust all the cream balls. I use edible gold for this cream. Chocolate balls, styrofoam balls, do very nicely. Cover all over the ball with coal dust. And the black dust I use for dark chocolate balls. Use the different brush